In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact in HubSpot. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Log into your account using your usual credentials. If your organization uses single sign-on, complete that flow so you land on your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar to reveal the main navigation. Look for the CRM section, then select Contacts. This opens your Contacts index, where all the people in your database are listed and searchable. At the top right of this page, click Add Contacts. A small menu will appear. Choose Create New to start a brand new contact record. When prompted for how you want to set this up, select I'll set up myself. This option lets you manually control each detail you enter so you can keep your data clean and consistent. Begin with the email field. Enter the person's primary work email address. Using the work email is important because HubSpot uses this to prevent duplicates and to help with automatic company association. If you see a duplicate warning while typing, pause and review. This can save you from creating a second record for the same person. Next, fill in the first name and last name. Take a moment to get the spelling and capitalization right. Clean, consistent names make searching, reporting, and personalization much easier later. You'll see additional fields you can complete now if you have the information. Consider adding items like phone number, job title, lifecycle stage, lead source, or assigning an owner. These aren't required to create the contact, but accurate context up front makes your CRM more useful for sales, marketing, and service. If you're not sure about a detail, it's perfectly fine to leave it blank and update it later. Accuracy matters more than completeness on day one. Before you finalize, give everything a quick review. Confirm the email is correct, names look good, and any optional fields you added are accurate. When you're ready, click Create. HubSpot will save the record and take you directly to the new contact's profile. Here you can see their properties on the left and a timeline in the middle where future emails, calls, meetings, and notes will appear. That's it. You've successfully added a contact in HubSpot. To keep your database in great shape, align with your team on which fields are must-haves and agree on formatting rules, like how to write titles and phone numbers. Consistency today saves a lot of cleanup tomorrow. Thanks for following along, and well done getting your new contact set up.